Yo, what's going on guys? It's Jack from NerdOut, and today I'm doing a bit of a different video for the channel. You guys don't usually see us do something like this, but it's the new year and we just wanted to celebrate a bit right here. This package right here is down to you guys. This package from YouTube is a very special package. I wanted to record me opening it for you guys, and I thought you guys would like to see what's in here. If you stick around to the end of the video as well, you will see the winner of the YouTube Starter Kit giveaway we did for Christmas. Also, all the details for the vote for the 12 days of NerdOut will be at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Right, so let's get this bad boy open. Ooh. Right, so this is what was in the box. If you haven't guessed already, this is our play button, our gold 1,000,000 subscriber play button. I really thought you guys would appreciate me opening it on camera for you guys to see. Yeah, and you're gonna get my live reaction to everything that's inside it. Oh, okay, it's still just packaging. There's a letter here. Before I open it properly, I'll read the letter to you guys. You're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1,000,000 subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you've never even thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, and that your voice speaks to 1,000,000 people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is a reward enough, but we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep on growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10,000,000 subscribers. It may seem far away, but remember the days when you were psyched to have 1,000. You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. Sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, the CEO of YouTube. It's time to unveil. Oh my lordy. Oh my lordy. Oh my lordy. And here it is. The 1,000,000 subscriber play button. Wowzers. NerdOut, congratulations on passing 1,000,000 subscribers. Oh my lord. It's so beautiful. It's so very beautiful. That looks good just there, doesn't it? We do have the silver play button as well for the 100,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough for 1,000,000 subscribers. It really, really does mean a lot. Absolutely mind-blowing. I don't know what else to say. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so on to 12 days of NerdOut. In the description, the top link will send you to a page where you can vote for your favorite submission of the 12 days. Let's just remind ourselves of the 10 finalists.
When you see my teeth, look into their eyes. It's where their courage hides. It's where their courage hides.
What's Navy SEALs, Blackbeard, I'm the captain. Got a gun shield, I will get the last laugh. If we talking terrorist hunt, then I am vicious. Yeah, it's always lone wolf on realistic.
Middle of the fight, through the streets. You see all that we can do, baby.
Got a passion for my sniper and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I rank up and you know it.
This is my mayhem. This is my London now. Stay with my teammates and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. I didn't roll no dice today, and now I'm fighting every day. I can't escape this game I play. The devil and his pay. We know we need to strategize quick, coming with a plan, now we'll get it here. Champions. I'm a silver, nova, then you silver, silver. I'm a silver, nova, then you silver, silver.
I'm about to warn ya. Don't wanna see the guts and gore. Don't pick around the corner. Don't go down the corridor. Stick fight, yeah, yeah. A stick fight, yeah, yeah. A stick fight, a stick fight.
They were all fantastic entries. We're so proud of you guys. We can't wait to do this competition next year. Make sure you vote for your favorite, because it's you guys that choose who wins the $500, who wins the $250, and who wins the $100. We'll be in contact very shortly with all the finalists to send them their t-shirts. And once again, thank you so much for entering. The YouTube Starter Kit. If you guys didn't know, we were running a YouTube Starter Kit giveaway to win a green screen, a webcam, a microphone, and a headset, and a $50 Steam card for you to get the games of your choosing. And the winner is Camden McCulloch. Congratulations! I'm going to email you for your address, and we'll send them out to you. Thank you very much for all your entries. To keep up to date with all our giveaways and everything we've got going on, make sure you follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Links are also in the description. If you want to get your hands on some of this beautiful merchandise, you know you want to be part of the NerdOut family, make sure you check out the fan fiber link in the description for all our merchandise. Once again, 2017 was such an incredible year. We could not have imagined it had gone so well. Thank you so much for all your support, and we can't wait to smash it in 2018. 2017 Gaming Wrap-Up Extended Edition is up on the second channel. I'll leave a link to that at the end of the video. Once again, thank you, we love you, and we'll see you on Saturday. Peace.